Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. It is Monday, which means it's my what's new update of the week, and we are in November, so Christmas is coming. Guys, I love Thanksgiving and fall and all those things, so don't think that I'm glazing over those two things. We've been giving you guys files for fall, so make sure that you're crafting with the files from last month for this month. However, as DIYers, we need to be ahead of the game and get our Christmas stuff rolling out pretty soon, especially if we're making things, because it takes time to make things. So we need them ahead of time. So it is Christmas week. We're launching all the Christmas stuff this week, and I am so excited for it. So what do we have this week? We have SVG Cuttables bundle for Christmas. This will probably be the last SVG Cuttables bundle of the year. Everything else will be designed by other people, but I wanted to get this one out now so that you guys could use it all year long. There's two. So we have the Christmas sweaters bundle, which is so cute. So if you're going to a Christmas sweater party or you just want to have cute Christmas sweaters, this is a really fast and easy way to do it, and you don't have to go search everywhere for Christmas sweaters. You can just make them. And then also the Christmas t-shirt bundle, which has a ton of SVGs for you guys to use on shirts, but you can also use these on pillows, on anything, guys. Do not limit yourself to just shirts. Also have a ton of Christmas stickers for you guys. So for my planner community, the stickers are coming out for you guys. I'm gonna be rolling those back into the membership so you guys can get new ones, and the old ones that we used to have are coming back. So stickers. What will you guys see on YouTube this month? I am really excited for YouTube this month. We have Hamzable is taking over, and he is redoing his teenage boy room. And guys, that guy is so creative. So if you guys want some inspiration for some easy DIYs for your little guys, you can do this for girls too, but I have been asked multiple times to try to do more boy-friendly crafts, and Hamzable is a good solution for that. So he is gonna be doing 3 really awesome room makeover tutorials, and they are really good. I know he's super entertaining, but they are really good tutorials. They use the Cricut, they're super practical, they're inexpensive, and they're super real. That's what I love about them. So check out his videos. They will be up every single Tuesday. And for my videos this month, you're gonna be seeing me live. I'm gonna be going live and doing fall crafts with you guys. I don't have a set schedule. Maybe by next week's What's New, I'll find good times to go, but I don't know about you, but our schedule is kind of like all over the place with COVID. Some things are opening, some things aren't, some things are closing really fast. So I'm from California, and California is still really closed down. So anyways, so my live schedule might be a little sporadic. Hoping to get it locked down for the Christmas season so that I can do lives every single day or close to every single day for you guys. So in these comments, let me know if there are any SVGs like this one. This is from our Winnie the Pooh bundle. One of my favorites, by the way. I love this SVG. If there are any SVGs that you've ever wanted to see someone use, I would love to try to use the ones that you guys request. And then also, if you have any tutorials or videos that you've been wanting me to do, questions, sublimation questions, it's gonna be a really good time for me to try out the sublimation spray. All the things that I just don't have time to film and edit and put on the internet and get into the schedule is what the holidays are gonna be for me. So anything that you guys have that you guys want to learn, comment on this video on YouTube. If you're watching from the newsletter, this video is on YouTube as well. If you're not a member, we would love to have you guys. I'm so grateful for all of you guys. It just inspires me to wake up every day and go, what can I make for them now? What can I offer them now? So thank you if you are a member. If you're not, I would love to have you a part of the community. It is growing. I'm always changing it. I'm always adding to it. So it is literally my baby, and I really want it to be like just as amazing as it can be for the least amount of dollars that you guys have to spend. So that's my goal, and I hope that you guys experience that. I know a lot of our members have said that. So thank you guys for being an amazing community, and thank you for always supporting each other and getting creative. If you are not in our Facebook groups, that is the place to be. The community there is always building each other up, always helping each other out with business questions or crafting questions. So join the crafting community or the business community. Links are all in the newsletter, guys. So if you have not joined those, find them in the newsletter. All right, I love you guys. I will see you this week sometime live. And then don't forget to check out Hamsable again. His videos are so fun. So make sure you give him some love. Bye.
Don't you second guess me, no.